Welcome to my reading house. I am Akshit. Today I am going to read a story called The Golden Goose. If you have a copy, go ahead and read along with me. Golden Goose. Once upon a time, there lived a couple with three sons. The parents were fond of their two elder sons, but the youngest one was neglected by them. Everybody called him a fool. One day the father asked the eldest son to go to the forest to fetch firewood. The mother prepared a delicious pancake for his day meal. She put it in a basket with a bottle of water and some fruits. On his way to the forest, the eldest son saw an old dwarf with a grey beard and mustache. The old dwarf asked him to give some food, but the elder son refused and shouted at him. Later, while cutting a tree, his axe slipped and he got wounded on his arm, so he couldn't carry the firewood home. Next day, the second son went to the forest for firewood. He too was given the same tasty meal by his mother. He also met the old dwarf on the way. The old dwarf asked him to give him some food, but he refused rudely. As the second son was cutting down a tree, he hurt his leg and returned home without the firewood. Lastly, the youngest son was asked to go to the forest for firewood. He was given a loaf of bread and water for the day's meal. When the old dwarf met him and asked for some food, he said, I have only a loaf of bread, but you are welcome to share it with me. The old dwarf agreed. The youngest son took out the loaf of bread, but he was surprised to see that the loaf of bread was now a big piece of cake, and the water was now a delicious soft drink. The old dwarf blessed him, saying, Very soon you will be rewarded for your kindness. Later, the youngest son started cutting down a tree. As the tree fell, he was surprised to see a beautiful goose with glittering golden feathers. He picked up the goose and walked back to home. But it began to get dark by then, so he decided to spend the night in a barn of an old farmer. The farmer had three daughters. Each of them wanted a golden feather of the goose, so they began to wait for him to fall asleep. At late night, all the daughters tiptoed to the goose. When the youngest daughter touched the goose to pull out a feather, her hand got stuck to it. Seeing this, the second sister tried to pull her off from the goose, but her hands too got stuck to her sister's body. Then the younger sister tried to pull by pulling the second sister, but her hands too got stuck to the second sister. Next day, the youngest son picked up the golden goose and started his journey in a different direction. Instead of towards his home, he was not bothered of the three girls stuck to one another with the goose and walking behind him. On the way, one priest tried to help the girls, but he too got stuck to the last girl. The priest asked a farmer to help pull him off, but the farmer also got stuck to the priest. When he tried to help, all of them had to follow the youngest son wherever he went. They reached a town. The king of the town had a daughter who had been too sad to laugh for a long time. He had announced that he would marry her off to any man who could make her laugh. When the youngest son came to know about this, he reached the king's palace. Seeing the funny scene of so many people stuck to one another behind a goose, The princess burst into a hearty laugh. The king's joy knew no bounds when he saw his daughter laugh. Hearing the laughter of the princess, all the five people who were stuck to one another became separated. They too were very happy to find themselves free. The youngest son was married to the princess and began to live in the palace. He was now the would-be king of the town. This was the reward he had got from showing his kindness to the old dwarf. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.